So it's not normal when rain falls.
Yeah. Yeah, me see that.
Them afraid for tap. Same thing for the 10 miles one. So it just, there's no stone to cool the river. The pressure of the water. So it comes wide till it bursts.
Which is what happened the other day.
Right. She's the only member of parliament that comes and do not clean the gullies.
The only
Yes.
one.
Well, I'm worried about the way that river look. That banking is not secure.
Well,
It's very loose dirt.
we talk the same thing over and over.
Yeah.
And if you say it again, it's going to be like the same thing, yes.
Yeah. You know, we visited the community back in, I think it was November. Yeah. After there were some heavy rains that had affected Jamaica, and this community got badly flooded because the river broke its banks. And the community was covered in mud and rubble, and it was devastating for them, you know. So we had toured it then just to see what was going on and to advocate for some assistance for them and so on.
All we need is material to build. Yes, I know that you is not the Prime Minister at this time, but we're hoping soon that you will become the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. And this is what we're saying to you. Everyone comes, they just talk and nothing. We are serious this time.
And then because it's now hurricane season, I said let us visit again and see what has happened. Well, of course, us resilient Jamaicans, you know, they've cleaned out their yards. Their yards are looking wonderful again. This is a properly built up community. Concrete houses, proper roofs, a beautiful church and so on. These are not squatters or informal settlers, as they're sometimes called. But I'm very concerned that the river, nothing has been done to really protect the riverbanks from being broken again if the rain was to come, and will come at some point again. All we see is the loose sand, and obviously the river bed has been cleared somewhat, but it's still above the level of the original Gabion baskets.
Last year, 2020, November the 8th, the flood coming out. Obviously, the gully bus, See me, I say, and trust me, it was a devastation because the water come from two ways. It come from so all of the gates come to the yard and come back to one look right there, so. Because they have a culvert hole right there, so where it's full up. See? So, when the water rush in the yard now and come to the back part of my house, and my little daughter, see her mother, her mother have ended up put her up on her back and carry she out the road. And me have in the yard help a little old man around the so. You see me I say? And from that, brother, I'm gonna be a talk again.
Today we got visited from our comrade leader, Mark Golden. We really appreciated the visit. He got to see the persons that got flood, which he visited recently, just to reiterate and communicate directly with the persons and let them know that someone cares, and not leave them on the wayside. We truly appreciate all that has been done community-wise, from us, which is the People's National Party for the people.